The civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for Churchill NV, Clark NV, Douglas NV, Elko NV, Esmeralda NV, Eureka NV, Humboldt NV, Lander NV, Lincoln NV, Lyon NV, Mineral NV, Nye NV, Pershing NV, Story NV, Washoe NV, White Pine NV, and Carson City NV, beginning at 1:04 a.m. Monday, June 1st and ending at 1:04 a.m. Tuesday, June 2nd. Missing child alert issued. Meet off. I'm on 5YOWFJ abducted by father. Meet off. Christopher, WNA 41, 600, 170 inches A Red Jeep Grand Share, 576 QNU Oregon in the area of Route/20. UNK./destination. Call law enforcement with information.
Christ, because